Hi everyone, we'll discuss another word problem for civil service exam, so number 45. So galing ito sa aming GC. So if 3 more than 1/4 of a number is 3 less than the number, what is the value of the number? Okay, so choices 3/4, 4, 6, 8, and 12. So para sagutan ng ganitong type ng word problems, kailangan lang natin i-translate ito sa mathematical equation. So, doon medyo nahihirapan yung karamihan sa pagta-translate. So, kasi pag nagkamali ka ng equation, edi mali na yan. Kahit tama pa yung pagsosolve mo, pag mali ang equation, mali na ang magiging answer natin. So, paano ba mag-translate ng phrase or sentence sa equation? Iniisa-isa lang po yan. So, okay, so gawin na natin to. Isa-isahin lang natin yung bawat word by word ita-translate natin. So, unang word or phrase, ayan, if 3. Itong if, wala na yung if eh. So, we have 3. 3 more than. So, pwede, ayan, 3. Sulat lang natin yung 3. Okay? So, tapos more than. Ibig sabihin ng 3 more than ay plus 3. Okay? So, 3 more than that is plus 3. Tapos 1/4. Okay, so 1/4. Sulat lang natin, 1/4. 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of a number, so 1/4 times yung number. Hindi natin alam yung number, so let's say yung number ay letter N. Okay? So 1/4 N plus 3. Okay, so ang first expression natin ay 1/4 N plus 3. Kasi sabi, 3 more than 1/4 of a number. So 1/4 N plus 3. And then we have is, ang ibig sabihin na itong is ay equal sign. Then we have 3, tapos less than naman. 3 less than. Kanina 3 more than, ibig sabihin nun plus 3. Yung 3 less than, ang ibig sabihin naman nun ay minus 3. Okay? 3 less than the number. 3 less than the number, so mauuna yung number, tapos yung minus 3. Okay, so ayan na ang ating working equation, 1/4 n plus 3 equals n minus 3. Okay, so kailangan lang mag-practice tayo kung paano magbuo ng mathematical equation. So gamit itong statement natin. So ang tanong lang, what is the value of the number? So just solve for n. Okay? So just solve for n. Kapag meron tayong denominator, ang ginagawa natin, first step ay tanggalin agad sa denominator na 4 by multiplying both sides of the equation by the denominator 4. Okay? So both sides, i-multiply lang natin sa 4 para mawala ang denominator natin. So ito, i-distribute natin. 1, 2. Dito sa una, 4 times 1/4, maka-cancel out lang yan. Okay? So matitira ay n. And then, 4 times positive 3, we have positive 12 equals, distribute naman natin itong 4. 4 times n, we have 4n. And then 4 times negative 3, that is equal to negative 12. Then just solve for n na lang ito. So pagsamahin natin itong n tsaka itong 4n, dadalhin nyo dapat dun sa mas malaking number. Meron tayong n, ibig sabihin yan 1n. Ito naman 4n. Mas malaki itong 4n, kaya itong 1n ang ililipat natin. So subtract natin n to both sides. Okay? So subtract n to both sides, wala na yan. So we have 12 is equal to 4n minus, ito may invisible na 1, 4n minus 1n, that is equal to 3n minus 12. So kailangan n lang ang matira dito. So tanggalin natin si negative 12. Ilipat sa kabila si negative 12. Dapat nandito siya by adding 12 to both sides. So add 12 to both sides, mawawala na ito. Matitira na lang 12 plus 12, that is equal to 24, equals, just copy 3n. Okay, so last step, kailangan n ang matira. Yung 3 naka-multiply, so magiging pan-divide naman siya dito. Or divide natin both sides by 3. So divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1 na yan. Cancel out na lang yan. So n na lang ang natira. So ito na yung final answer. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So therefore, the correct answer is letter D, 8. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching. Ayan, so dito pala natin sinolve, no? So dapat dito. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung explanation ko para sa problem na ito. At kung may question po kayo, ay i-comment nyo lang dito sa aking channel, GTR Math Tutorial, or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger. Ayan, RJ Enseñado. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review sa civil service exam. Bye-bye and God bless.